Hi everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to activate macros in PowerPoint. Macros can automate tasks and save you time, but they need to be enabled before use. First, you need to enable the Developer tab, go to File, Greater Than Options, then select Customize Ribbon. In the right-hand list, check the box next to Developer and click OK. The Developer tab will now appear on the ribbon. To run a macro, click the Developer tab, then in the Code group, click Macros. Select the macro you want from the list and click Run. You can also press Alt plus F8 to open the macros dialog box quickly. If you want to adjust macro security settings, go to File Greater Than Options, Greater Than Trust Center, Greater Than Trust Center Settings, Greater Than Macro Settings. Here, you can choose to enable all macros, disable macros with notification, or disable macros without notification depending on your security preference. And that's it. Now you can enable and run macros in PowerPoint, making repetitive tasks easier and your workflow more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to explore more PowerPoint tips to get the most out of your presentations.